Do you also want to create a channel like Omar Agamy but don't want to show your face? Well, in today's video, I'll show you how to create a simple faceless YouTube channel that uses trending news. We'll use AI tool for everything from voiceover to lip sync videos and go through all these steps one by one. So if you want to start your YouTube journey without appearing on camera, this video is perfect for you. So let's get it started. So in this type of channel, any trending news is shared in an interesting way. On one side, there's a host, and on the other side, there's a country's flag related to the news. And a conversation takes place between the host and the flag about the news. So first, for trending news, you can use Microsoft Bing, Google News, or any news website. Simply type latest news in the search box. From the results, pick one or two interesting topics. For example, I selected the news about the Maori protest against the controversial treaty bill. So now in the next step, I'll ask Bing AI for more details about this news, like what is the full context of this news. Or if you have selected the tech news, you can ask what are the benefits of this technology and why is it trending. So after going to Microsoft Bing, I'll ask, tell me about this news, Maori protest against controversial treaty bill and why has it going so viral. So here you can see that I've received all the details about this topic. So in the next step, I'll share all the details of this news with GPT and ask it to write the script. Since Microsoft Bing isn't great at writing scripts, sharing this news with GPT will help me get a more polished and engaging script. So after sharing the full details with GPT, I gave it the following prompt to generate the script. Remember, following a structure for creating the script will be helpful. First, provide a short overview of the topic in the introduction, then discuss the main details such as the latest updates, features, or its impact. And at the end, engage the audience by asking a question or sharing your point of view. So once you have the script, edit it in your style to make it appealing to your audience. So as you can see, now I have the script ready. You can either shorten it or make it longer as needed. And it's a good idea to edit it in your own style to make it more engaging. So now that the script is ready, we need the voice. So for the voiceover, I'll use 11 Labs. First, I'll generate the voice of the host character or your channel's avatar. To do this, I'll only put the host character dialogues in the speech box and delete the rest. Then I'll select the suitable voice and generate it. And after that, I'll do the same for the New Zealand flag by selecting its voice and generating the dialogues. So once the voiceover is done, we need two images, one for the host or your channel's avatar and another of the country's flag related to the news. So I'll use Ideogram AI to generate these type of images. So here I'll write this prompt. Well, I'll include all the prompts in the description box. Then I'll generate the image in a 9:16 ratio. You can see that my images have been generated and I'll choose this one from them. To do that, I'll simply download it from here. So for the second image, I'll take an example of a boy's image from the Freepik website. So after coming here, I'll search for male in the AI image section. And you can see there are many images available. So I'll download one of them. Remember, the image should be one where the boy is facing forward so it's easier to do lip sync. So I'm downloading this image and will also remove its background. And now for lip sync, I'll use Hedra AI. Simply after going to this website, upload the generated voice in the audio section. Then in the character box, enter your image, select the aspect ratio 9:16 and click on generate.
New Zealand, I saw lawmakers doing a haka in Parliament today. What's going on? Wait, the Treaty of Waitangi? Why is this such a big deal?
You can see how amazing the lip sync video is ready. Simply download it from here. Similarly, I'll create the second video as well. So after this, I need a few images related to the news, which can easily be downloaded from Google. So for this, I'll download images related to the bill about Maori rights, images of treaty bills and New Zealand flag images. So based on your news, you can download 2 to 4 images related to it. And now for the final step, you move on the editing. So after coming to the editing tool, we'll first import all the elements. And while checking the script, we'll set the dialogues for both characters. In the next step, we'll adjust the images we downloaded according to the script. And finally, add some nice effects, subtitles, and make your video even better. And that's it for the editing. Now our video is ready. Let's go and check out the final result.
New Zealand, I saw lawmakers doing a haka in Parliament today. What's going on?
That was a bold statement against a controversial bill about Maori rights. The bill redefines the Treaty of Waitangi principles, which many say waters them down.
Wait, the Treaty of Waitangi? Why is this such a big deal?
It's the 1840 agreement between Maori chiefs and the British Crown. It promised protection and partnership, but this bill threatens that balance.
Who's behind it?
The ACT Party. They say they're clarifying the law, but critics think it sidelines Maori voices.
Wow, New Zealand. This sounds like the beginning of a big fight.
So that's it. That was an easy way to start your Faceless YouTube channel. We saw how we can use trending news and AI tools to create unique content without showing our faces. Now you can also share your ideas and start your creative journey. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share. And if you are new, subscribe and press the bell icon to get updates on every new video. And by the way, what's your opinion? Would you also like to start your own Faceless channel? Make sure to share your thoughts in the comments below, and I'm ready to answer your questions. Let's meet in the next video, and in the meantime, keep exploring your creativity.